Solve the question. Under root 9 minus root 8 equal to what is the value? Okay. The simplest form of this question. So we can write under root 9. Under root 9 equal to under root 3 into 3, which is equal to the 3. And root 8 equal to prime factorize of 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Taking 2 outside, so we get under root 8 equal to 2 root 2. Now put the value in this question. Okay, simple. Root 9 equal to 3 and root 8 equal to 2 root 2. Okay, so now we can write root 3. So we can write 3 as 2 plus 1. Okay, 3 equal to 2 plus 1 minus 2 under root 2. Okay, next we can write 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. We can arrange these terms. 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. Next, root 2 equal to square of root 2. Okay, root 2 square equal to 2 minus 2 into root 2 into 1. We can write 2 root 2, 2 into root 2 into 1, and plus 1 can be written as square of 1. Okay, now use the identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to a minus b whole square. Compare this identity to this term, a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. So now we can write under root 2 minus 1 whole square. Okay, by using identity a minus b whole square. Now square root of square, to cancel the square root, 2 under root. Okay, so the value of this is root 2 minus 1, or the value of root 2 is 1.414. We can write like this, the absolute value 4.14, and continue. Because root 2 is an irrational number, therefore the right answer is root 2 minus 1. No need to give this answer. Okay.